Okay, the market was a total roller coaster this week, so let's break down exactly what happened. The week kicked off with a jolt. Major indices saw the worst one-day drop in weeks. So, was this a quick dip or the start of something much bigger? That was the big question. Well, the market answered loud and clear with a powerful rebound as investors rushed right back in. Here's how we're going to unpack this full story from the rebound to the bigger picture. The day's action was all about a classic move, buy the dip. It's a bet on recovery. Good economic data out of the US helped fuel this confidence, spreading from Wall Street to Europe. And guess who led the comeback? The magnificent 7 tech stocks, turning things right around. Take Meta. It jumped over 2%, breaking a really rough 4-day losing streak. And Nvidia, the AI chip giant, it climbed too, showing that dip buyers are still feeling confident. Yeah, investors basically ignored the warnings and just kept buying into the AI trade. The belief is strong. But it wasn't all good news. Let's check out commodities, where things got pretty interesting. You had crude oil falling because of oversupply fears, but gold, it actually went up. So why'd oil fall? Well, US inventories grew and there were hints of more supply coming. Meanwhile, gold did what it does best. It acted as a safe haven amid all the uncertainty. Over in currency markets, the US dollar, which has been super strong, finally eased off of it. And crypto, yet it had a wild ride too, with Bitcoin bouncing back over T psychological level. Okay, so what was really driving all of these moves? Let's connect the dots here. It was a real tug-of-war between strong US economic data and some ongoing political risks. So the overall feeling in the market right now, you could definitely call it cautious optimism, which leaves us with the big question, is this strength for real or is it just temporary?